sure not gonna miss this on the boat. Well, it's time to put the motor on the dinghy. Let's do this. Okay. Of note, my son attached the motor with this rope just in case I would drop it. So, well done, it went well. Just need to clamp it up and that's it. Can't forget the gas tank. It's at home, so we'll go get it. We're ready to go explore with the dinghy. Yes! Hey, how's the man?
Good, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
Are you still on schedule?
Still on schedule. Yeah, leaving Monday.
I'm looking forward to your videos.
Yeah, for sure. June 13th and I received this package yesterday. Ooh, what could it be? Ah, extra filters for the water filtering system. Perfect, we're good to go. Here's the micron per filter. And you know, just to make sure, I got this yesterday. Dometic duckbill valves. Now here's the reason why I haven't been able to do everything I wanted on the boat before I left for the big vacation, like cleaning the boat and such. Yeah, it's because I've been building all those raised beds and getting the gardens ready. When I come back sometime in August, I have a lot of harvesting to do. So yeah, all good. Well, my friends, today is June 14th and only 2 more days to go before I hit the first lock on the Rideau Canal. And let me tell you, I'm very excited. And with that, we'll see you guys on the next one.